2018 Pacifica. It's an S with advanced safety tech on it, so it's got adaptive cruise control. It's a black metallic. I'll show that to you in just a second. Also has park assist on it, so you can parallel park or perpendicular park. Got black wheels. Car was a trade-in to us. People bought a Durango. Just super clean. Of course, it doesn't smell like smoke. It's got the surround view camera. It's got the cameras in the mirrors, camera in the front bumper, camera in the rear bumper on it. Roof rack stored on the top. Got power liftgate. I said a backup camera. That and power sliders, power hatch. Stow-N-Go with video. It's a nice one. Looking at the second row. Second row has heated seats in it. Does have rear video. Those are 10-inch screens. They're in the back of the seats. Got the app, so if you want to play checkers, kind of pre-done, tic-tac-toe. You can play with by yourself, or you can play with the person next to you. Comes with power sliders. Let me show you more about the van. So when you look at the radio, satellite radio, AM, FM, media control, so it'll blue stream off of the phone if you want. Climate controls on the screen. Of course, it has heated seat, heated steering wheel. Does have the surround view camera. And it's straight down. You can even see when I open the door, how the door opens and shows it. So it does have navigation. You can pair up to 10 phones for it. Parallel parking, parallel and perpendicular parking. This is the backup sensors. It does have lane departure. That's the switch the engine shuts off when you come up to a stop sign, so you can disable that feature if you want. So on the steering wheel controls, it has adaptive cruise, regular cruise of course, 5,100 miles on it. It is Bluetooth for the phone. Headlights are automatic. Fog lights are right in the center. Of course, power windows. Power door locks on it. Super nice van. Very clean. It's never been smoked in. Call me on this one.